Fujian Xinyu Machinery Development Company, Limited Automatic Rewinding Machine, is used for producing toilet paper, kitchen towel, and maxi roll paper. The machine has automatic core feeding unit. The jumbo roll paper undergoes gluing, lamination, full embossing, perforating, then proceeds with rewinding, edge trimming, and tail gluing to form a log roll. Then it works together with cutting machine and packing machines to make the finished products. The machine adopts PLC control and touchscreen operation. The whole process is automatic, easy to operate, and lower labor cost.